Laundry 101. The do's and don'ts of adding detergent to your washer.
Hello and welcome. Today we're tackling a common question when it comes to laundry. Can adding detergent directly to the washer cause damage to the washing machine or affect the clothing? It's a question that might have crossed your mind as you load your laundry into the washer.
Can detergent damage the washing machine?
First, let's look at whether detergent can damage your washing machine. Washing machines are designed to work with detergent. However, the way you add the detergent matters. Top-loading machines usually have a separate dispenser for the detergent. When you add detergent directly onto the clothes or the drum, it may not dissolve properly. This can lead to detergent buildup in the machine. Over time, this buildup can cause issues like blockages, and in extreme cases, it can even cause the washing machine to malfunction or break down. Front-loading washers also usually have a separate compartment for the detergent. Using this compartment ensures that the detergent is properly introduced into the wash at the right time and dissolved correctly. If detergent is added directly into the drum, it can stick to the drum walls, causing the same kind of buildup issue mentioned for top-loading washers.
Can detergent affect the clothing?
Now let's move on to the potential effects on clothing. Direct contact of detergent on clothes can cause discoloration or even damage certain fabrics. If a concentrated detergent is applied directly to the fabric and isn't properly washed out, it can lead to spots or streaks on your clothing. Certain types of fabric, especially delicate ones, are more susceptible to this type of damage. Also, not all the detergent might get washed out if it's not dissolved properly. This can lead to residue on the clothes, which might cause skin irritation for some people. So, to answer the question, adding detergent directly to the washer can potentially damage the machine and have adverse effects on clothing. It's always best to use the designated detergent compartment in your washing machine to ensure proper dissolving of the detergent and to prevent any potential problems. Remember, if you're in doubt, it's always a good idea to consult your washing machine's user manual. Each model might have different specifications and guidelines. Thanks for tuning in, and happy washing!